Hey everybody, if you want to know how to download and play Cat Chaos Prankster on your PC, you've come to the right place. My name is Nick and today I'll show you how to do it. So let's get started. As you know, now this game is only available for Android and iOS devices, so we need to install an Android emulator on our PC. How to do it? Open up a browser and type here LD Player. So this is one of the best Android emulator. Just go to their official website and install LD Player on your PC. Just run the emulator and after installation you'll see this icon on your desktop. By the way, you can install another Android emulator, for example BlueStacks or Mumu Android emulator, it doesn't matter. After that, just open up your Android emulator and go to Play Store, of course. Here we can easily install any Android games, but firstly you need to sign in or sign up if you haven't a Google account. Okay, now at the very top you can find the search box. Let's click on it and type here Cat Chaos Prankster. And here it is. This is the game that we want to install. Click on the install button and now just wait until the game will be installed on my device. Here you can read more about this game, see screenshots from the game, and the game is crazy, to be honest. Okay, finally the game is installed and here is the play button. Let's click on it to start the game. This game made with Unity, and as you can see I can easily play this game on my PC. So the game works correctly. Let's click on the play button. And yeah, be good and stay home, kittens. And also you can customize the control in emulator by clicking on this button right here and adding joystick and other buttons. Just drag and drop it right here. So it was a short tutorial about how to play Cat Chaos Pranker on your PC or laptop. Hope my video was clear for you. Please don't forget to like this video and of course leave your comments. Thank you very much. Bye bye.